All right, so we're back outside again. I got more plants. So you guys see, I have purple plants now, white plants, flowers. I didn't get too much because I'm trying to still build this out little by little, trying to figure out what I'm doing. But here's an idea. This quarantine is making life difficult though in order to get supplies, but making it work. I need to get mulch, but Home Depot's talking about they're not going to do their mulch sale, their spring sale, because of to reduce people going to the store. So I don't know how it's going to work out, but kids are playing their Barbie Dream Camper. We'll do this. All right, so what we got going on right now is I'm planting the plants. London's watering the plants. They're also taking turns raking up all the extra grass clipping that's in the grass from the fall still. So we're manually dethatching the lawn. I have the grill going on in the back. I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, about 12 more plants to plant. I already planted my rose bush, but we're making it work, man. We taught London about the different parts of the plants because that's what she's learning in school, as well as we let her plant one of the plants as well. So that was cool, but we're running out of daytime, so we gotta hurry this up. I also gotta finish painting on the inside, and I start working overtime tomorrow, so we'll work it out. But here we go. All right, so this is the current status, the side house. I gotta get that spot right there. I stop there because right here, I'm digging a hole for a catch basin because when the water comes, it just overflushes. So build a catch basin. I stopped mulching so that I could add the drain out that way and drain out that way and drain out that way some. So we're coming together. That's done. Look at kids. That's been freshened up. I got a new tree. Weeping willow cherry tree. No, a pink weeping cherry tree. That's what it's called. I'm gonna show you guys a picture of what it's supposed to look like. These are done. That's the stem over there. Got that done. Get a bird bath for that. Do the same thing on this side. There's a gap in the mulch so that I could build another catch basin.
What could this be? What does that say?
Butterfly, garden, gift,
Let's see what it is.
Is it alive? It's alive. It's alive. It is alive. Bugs. What's it?
Back up.
Right there.
What is that?
Bugs. Ew.
London, what is this?
A bug?
It's not a bug.
It's a bug.
Come look closer.
It's a bug.
What are those?
Caterpillar?
Caterpillars. What do caterpillars turn into?
Butterflies.
Butterflies.
So it is a butterfly.
It's gonna turn into butterflies. We have to watch them turn into butterflies. So I just wanted to take them out. So